Hey, what's up guys? Thank you for watching another of my videos. I really appreciate it, guys. What I bring you here is this, the Iron Man Mark 50 faceplate. This is made out of foam, but as you see, it's a little rough, so we actually have to sand it and make it look proper. We're gonna start by using the Dremel. I'm trying to make it as smooth as we can, and then we're gonna prepare all these into making it look smooth as we can. The Dremel is the best bet to try to make the whole surface be even. Okay guys, so let's do this. So yeah guys, I'm back and I just used the vacuum. So that's the whole idea. That's what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna Dremel a little bit more, but I'm gonna clean this up here, try to make it smooth here, go all around there, all around here, and the inside. On the inside here, I don't know if you guys can see this. I gotta smooth this out too, so it looks even. I gotta smooth this out too, and this, try to make it